Hey guys, what's going on? Travis here. Camp Grimsley YouTube channel. Grimsley's Lawn Care. About to start the old truck. It's about a little after 6 or so. Get her going. Gotta get the dingo unloaded and get the mowers on here, so gotta get there. It's turned off. Whew, look at that old bus. It's pretty neat. Get a little heat on it. It's 44 degrees this morning. And it's a little chilly, what I'm used to. We've been getting up 70, almost 80 degrees, but I'm gonna get these mowers loaded up and go get fueled up, come back, pick Ben up. Catch you guys later.